Welcome to Tech Mirror, the best portable dryers of 2025. The perfect solutions for compact living, travel, or quick laundry drying. We have tested and reviewed the top 5 models that deliver outstanding performance, energy efficiency, and convenience. Whether you live in an apartment, dorm, or RV, these dryers fit your lifestyle. Stay tuned and check out the links in the description. Number 5. The Auertech 12 Valves Portable Dryer is a compact yet highly efficient appliance designed for modern living spaces such as apartments, dormitories, and recreational vehicles. Despite its small size, it offers a generous 12-pound drying capacity, powered by an 850-watt motor that can reach temperatures up to 149 degrees Celsius, ensuring that clothes are thoroughly dried in minimal time. The dryer operates most effectively with loads under 5.5 pounds, providing quick and efficient results. It features 6 drying programs with 2 temperature options, allowing users to tailor each cycle to specific fabric types such as cotton, wool, and synthetic fibers. The intelligent drying system adjusts temperature and humidity automatically to prevent over-drying and save energy. The stainless steel drum rotates in both directions to reduce wrinkles and tangling, delivering smoother laundry results. Its LED control panel is clear and easy to navigate, enabling users to monitor real-time drying progress and make precise adjustments. The thoughtful design also includes a multi-stage filtration system that effectively traps lint and pet hair, keeping clothes clean and fresh. With its sturdy stainless steel tub, magnetic door lock, and quiet operation, the Auertech dryer promises reliability and convenience. Measuring only 19 by 15.8 by 22 inches and weighing just 32 pounds, it is exceptionally portable and easy to fit in tight spaces. Overall, the Auertech 12 Valves portable dryer is a dependable space-saving solution that offers powerful performance and user-friendly features for everyday laundry needs. Number 4. The Arov Sun Laundry Front Load Tumble Dryer is a compact and efficient appliance designed for small living spaces such as apartments, dormitories, and recreational vehicles. Powered by an 850-watt motor, it delivers consistent and effective drying with temperatures reaching up to 140 degrees, ensuring that clothes are ready to wear in a short time. For best results, it is recommended to dry no more than 5.5 pounds of laundry per load. With dimensions of 19.5 by 16.5 by 24 inches and a net weight of only 37 pounds, this dryer is highly portable and easy to install. It can be placed on a countertop, set on a flat surface, or mounted on a wall using the included kit. Its sleek white exterior, paired with a see-through door window, adds a modern and elegant touch to any laundry area. The Arov Sun Dryer features a durable stainless steel drum that ensures long-lasting performance while preventing fabric damage. A multiple filtration system effectively captures lint and cotton fibers, keeping your space clean and your clothes soft. The simple control knob makes operation effortless, allowing users to select various drying modes based on fabric type and desired results. Safety is also prioritized with an automatic shutoff function that stops the machine when the door is opened. Overall, the Arov Sun Front Load Tumble Dryer combines style, reliability, and convenience, making it a smart choice for small households or individuals seeking efficient laundry drying in limited spaces. Number 3. The Yuhomi 110V Portable Clothes Dryer is a compact yet powerful appliance designed to deliver efficient drying performance in small spaces such as apartments, dormitories, and recreational vehicles. Despite its portable size, this dryer features an impressive 850-watt motor and a 1.5 cubic foot capacity, capable of handling up to 10 pounds of wet laundry. It reaches temperatures up to 140 degrees, ensuring fast and thorough drying while maintaining fabric safety. Measuring 19.5 by 15.7 by 23.6 inches and weighing only 37.5 pounds, the Yuhomi dryer is easy to move and install. It can be placed on a stable floor, shelf, or mounted on a wall for convenient access. The stainless steel tub ensures durability and resists rust, while the quiet operation makes it ideal for shared or small living spaces. This dryer offers multiple drying modes including cold, warm, hot, and air dry, allowing users to select the best option for their specific fabric type or load size. The 105-degree door opening and transparent viewing window make loading and monitoring laundry effortless. For added safety, the dryer automatically stops when the door is opened during operation. Its 3-layer cotton filter effectively captures lint and pet hair, keeping your laundry clean and your space tidy. Certified by ETL and DOE for safety and quality, the Yuhomi portable dryer combines efficiency, compact design, and user-friendly operation. It is a perfect choice for anyone seeking reliable drying performance in a stylish, space-saving appliance. Number 2. The VCJ Portable Dryer for Laundry is a powerful and compact appliance designed to meet the needs of small households, apartments, dormitories, and recreational vehicles. Featuring a 12-pound capacity and an 850-watt motor, this dryer provides efficient drying with temperatures ranging from 100 degrees Celsius to 140 degrees, ensuring clothes dry quickly without overheating or damage. It is ideal for everyday laundry, including shirts, towels, and lightweight garments. One standout feature is the included shoe drying accessory, which transforms the unit into a convenient shoe dryer. This accessory is perfect for drying wet shoes after rain or sports activities, effectively preventing odor and moisture buildup. However, it is recommended not to dry clothes and shoes simultaneously for best performance. The VCJ dryer offers 6 customizable drying modes, tailored for different fabric types such as cotton, wool, and nylon. Its intelligent temperature control prevents shrinkage and maintains fabric quality. An 8-hour timer and delay start function allow users to schedule drying cycles according to their convenience, reducing energy use during peak hours. With a clear LED touch panel and child lock feature, this dryer is safe and easy to operate. The automatic shutoff function ensures additional safety, while the quiet operation maintains a peaceful environment. Compact and lightweight at 19 by 15.8 by 22 inches, the VCJ Portable Dryer combines powerful performance, intelligent control, and thoughtful design, making it a perfect solution for efficient and space-saving laundry care. Number 1. The Yuhomi Compact Dryer with a 1.8 cubic foot capacity is a high-performance and versatile appliance designed for small living spaces, including apartments, dormitories, and recreational vehicles. With a powerful 1020-watt motor, it can handle up to 10.5 pounds of wet laundry and 6.5 pounds of dry clothes. The dryer reaches a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Celsius, ensuring that garments dry efficiently while maintaining fabric quality. This portable dryer offers 7 multifunctional drying modes, including cool down, warm, hot, anti-wrinkle, air dry, intelligent, and eco mode. Each mode is tailored for specific fabric types and laundry needs, allowing users to dry everything from delicate clothing to heavy garments with ease. The intelligent mode automatically adjusts drying time based on humidity, while eco mode combines cold and hot air to save energy without compromising results. The stainless steel drum and full rotation design ensure even drying, while the multi-layer filtration system effectively captures lint, pet hair, and debris, keeping clothes soft, fresh, and comfortable. The compact dimensions of 19.3 by 17.7 by 27 inches make it suitable for tight spaces, and the unit includes necessary accessories such as exhaust duct, brackets, and spacers for easy installation. ETL and DOE certifications guarantee safety and quality, and the 1-year warranty provides peace of mind. The Yuhomi Compact Dryer is quiet, durable, and user-friendly, making it an excellent solution for households seeking reliable, efficient, and energy-conscious laundry drying in a compact design. Thank you for watching our roundup of the best portable dryers of 2025. These top 5 picks offer convenience, efficiency, and space-saving designs for apartments, dorms, and small homes. Whether you need a quick dry for daily laundry or a reliable solution for shoes and delicate fabrics, these dryers deliver excellent performance. Check the links in the description to find the best deals and make your laundry routine easier today.